Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a resume in Gemini. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a resume using Google Gemini. First, open Gemini on your phone or computer and sign into your account. Start a new chat so you can keep all your resume sections in one place. Begin with the professional summary. Type a prompt like, write a professional resume summary for a person who has 10 years of experience in IT and technology. Include their main skills, achievements, work experience, and strengths in a clear and professional way. Replace the details with your own experience and industry. For the skills section, ask Gemini to list relevant skills for your target job or industry. You can also paste a job description and ask Gemini to match the skills to that role. Now move to the education section. Enter your degree, school name, dates, and any honors or achievements. Then ask Gemini to format it professionally for a resume. You can also ask Gemini to make the resume ATS-friendly, improve the tone, or tailor it for a specific job position. Once everything is ready, review the resume carefully and make any final edits you want. And that's it! So that's basically how you can create a resume in Gemini. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.